Welcome to the Dart Connect League setup tutorial. Open Dart Connect scoring app. Click Play Online. This will give you three options. Select the scoring app plus VC, and this will split your screen. If you are the home team, follow these instructions. On the scoring app portion, you will select Leagues and Groups. From there, you will select the green regular season portal. You'll be shown your scheduled match. Click on your scheduled match and verify you're playing the correct opponent, and then click Continue and start the set. Once the match loads, you will need to generate a code. To do so, you'll click the circle next to the gear and generate a code. Once the code has been generated, you need to send this code to your opponent in Messenger. Once your opponent has connected to this match, the VC portion will notify you, and you can now start the video call. Next, you will shoot for bull, and the home team will select the winner of the bull to begin the match. As the away team, you'll have to connect to the match that the home player has just set up. Start by opening the scoring app and click Play Online, and then select Scoring App plus VC. This will split your screen. From there, you will have to click Play Online and Join Match. You will now enter the code that your opponent sent you into this box. Click Continue, and that'll join you to that match. From here, you can start the video call and begin to go for bull. Once the winner of the bull is determined, the home team will select the winner of the bull by clicking on their name, and that will begin the match. Now, once the match is complete, the winner will move on into the bracket. Going into Messenger, the admins will determine who will create the next match and who will join said match. If you are chosen to create a match, you will then go back to the scoring app, click on League and Groups, go to the League portal, and then you will create an unscheduled match. Select your opponent, who you were supposed to be playing, and create said match. Once the match is loaded, you will go back and generate a code just as you have done before as the home team. Once the opponent has connected, the VC will give you another notification stating they connected, and you can start the video call. You can follow along for all match updates and scores on cgcdarts.com. First, go to cgcdarts.com and go to CGC Dart Connect TV. You'll have all the match plays, previous matches, and all league standings. Well, this concludes the setup tutorial. Shoot well and enjoy the season.